Oh, shoot.
Hey, welcome back to another episode of How We Do It. Let's see what we got today. Let's go. Nope. Oh, hold on. Hey, we got us a live lobster right here. Let's go ahead and make some lemon butter lobster mashed potatoes. Alright, first thing we gotta do with this lobster is take care of it. And if you look right here, there's a little cross section where you would take your knife and you insert it right there, bring the knife forward. That's the most humane way to kill a lobster. As soon as that is executed, you send it over to the pot right here with some boiling salted water, and we're gonna boil it off for about 19 minutes. Almost about that time. When it's ready, we're gonna take it out the pot. We're gonna send it over to this ice bath over here and let it chill out. I had to put some more ice on top, make sure it cooled down evenly. Shout out to Sonic, love their ice. If anybody knows, it's fire. But yeah, we're gonna let that cool down completely. Once it's cooled down, we'll separate the meat from the shell. While the lobster's chilling out, I took some garlic, cut it in half, and added some avocado oil, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. We're gonna wrap it up in this foil. We're gonna put it in the oven at 400 degrees for about an hour. Get our roasted garlic on. Let's go. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is take some of these legs, just a few of them right here. We're gonna get the meat out. Get you a rolling pin or something that's similar, maybe like a wine bottle. Ha 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 ha. That'll work. Start at the end right here. You're gonna press down and roll it out. There you go, right there. Boom. We'll do one more. Another one right here. Boom. Start at the end. Roll forward. Boom. For that claw, look nice, don't it? I like to use my kitchen scissors or shears or whatever you want to call them. Heavy duty boys. I'm gonna take this knuckle from the claw. Myself, I use this kitchen shears going right there. And open it up. Pull that meat out. Right there. Them shells, we're gonna keep those. We're gonna put that in the pot. We're gonna make us some lobster stock with all these shells. For this claw, I like to hit it a couple of times on the back of the knife. Then I go in with some kitchen shears. Open it up. Come up a little bit more. Pull that right out. Right there. Got that lobster meat out. Looking beautiful. For that tail, I just flipped it over. Took those kitchen shears. Snip, snip, snip. Pulled it right out. Nothing crazy. That's what we're working with right now. We're gonna take this lobster meat, put it in a bowl in the refrigerator, let it hang out for a while. But in the meantime, all those shells that we had earlier, we're gonna make a stock out of it. All right, check me out. For this lobster stock, I got the shells in there, right? You saw it from earlier. Then I took a whole onion and gave that a rough chop. Then I took 4 celery stalks, gave that a rough chop, and put that in there. I took 4 carrots, did the same thing, rough chop, drop it in. Then I took 12 cups of water and put it in there. And then I took some Old Bay and some lemon pepper and put that in there too. About a teaspoon of Old Bay and about a teaspoon of lemon pepper. I'm gonna give that a mix. I also took a little small bunch of thyme and drop that in. I got my temperature on medium heat, and we're gonna let that go for about an hour and a half, 2 hours. I forgot to mention, I also added 2 bay leaves also. After about 30 minutes, I turned the temp down just a little bit. Smells freaking delicious. Man, that's what I'm talking about. Now we're gonna take this lobster stock, we're gonna strain it off into this bowl. And we're gonna take this lobster stock, and that's what we're gonna cook our potatoes in. I strained it for a second time to get any smaller bits that were in there. I took 5 russet potatoes, washed, peeled, and chopped it down. We're gonna take these potatoes and drop it in that stock. We're gonna let these cook down until they're very tender. All right, let's check out these potatoes. See if they're ready. They look ready. Check it out. Oh yeah. All right, we're gonna take these potatoes. We're gonna strain out this stock. Took that lobster meat right there, chopped it up real nice. And I got some clarified butter with some rosemary inside. We're gonna drop that in. We're gonna let that hang out for a little bit, let that get nice and warm. Now we're gonna take these potatoes and put it through this potato ricer. When you put it through, it'll come out looking like that. No lumps, all smoothness. I took that roasted garlic, I put it in there. I'm gonna put some more potatoes on top. We're gonna squeeze that through into the bowl. Now I'm gonna take some lemon juice from 2 lemons and some lemon zest from 2 lemons. We're gonna drop that in. Then we're gonna add a little bit of salt. And some white pepper. And I got about 1.5 cups of warmed heavy cream. I'm gonna drop that in. And we're gonna give it a mix. Gonna give it a taste. Hell yeah. Now we're gonna take that lobster meat that's been sitting in that clarified butter and some rosemary. We're gonna drop that in the potatoes. We're gonna take some of that clarified butter and rosemary, we're gonna drop that in too. Fold that in real nice. Give that a taste. Yeah, buddy. We're also gonna take a little bit of Cobley Jack and mix that in. Check out that lemon butter lobster mashed potatoes. Looking fire. You know I gotta get a little piece. You already know. Hell yeah. You already know. Stay tuned.